Hey guys, it's Levi with XDynamics, and I want to give you guys a few tips about your XDynamics intelligent high-performance batteries. First off, guys, rotate your batteries. It's important to not continuously use 1 or 2 batteries on every flight. If you have, let's say, 4 batteries, go through all 4 before returning back to your first battery. This is going to really extend the life of your batteries because they won't be used over and over. Second, guys, I want to talk about swelling. It's always good to keep an eye out for swelling with LiPo batteries. However, with the XDynamics intelligent high-performance batteries, that should never be a problem because they automatically deplete themselves. Finally, guys, don't fully discharge your battery. Now, these batteries will give you 33 minutes of flight time, which is plenty. You shouldn't ever really have to worry about it. But try to land with 15 or 20% left and don't bring the battery all the way down to 0%. That will severely diminish the life of the battery. So I hope these 3 tips really helped you guys with your XDynamics intelligent high performance batteries, and we'll see you next time.